Hi, I'm Dave Widener and I'll be showing you CleverRain's Droplet Engine. In this era of customer engagement, what we say along with how and when we engage with our customers matters. And if you own a brick and mortar store, the store appearance, merchandise, layout, and selection are really important, but so are how your salespeople interact with your shoppers. You want that shopper and salesperson to engage and have a great experience. And at CleverRain, we want that same experience for your website, and we call that engagement a droplet. Let's take a look at some droplets in action. Droplets are, in a nutshell, your content delivered to a specific web visitor based on that person's browsing behavior on your site and how and when you want to engage with them. In this case, the droplet is presenting static content only to those people who view the Samsung Galaxy tab. Let's go ahead and close that. Now, here in this case, Droplet is presenting a sign-up form only to those people who check out the beloved video. And we'll go ahead and close that. Droplets can contain virtually any type of content, including static images, forms, and video. Thanks for visiting. Follow me. Droplets can even contain content developed in third-party services including Wufoo, Jotforms, YouTube, and Vimeo. Oh, I've seen this video. Very cool. Now, the Droplet engine is the cloud service behind the scenes that makes engagement happen on your site without changes to your site content and without additional site development. Now let's take a look at Droplet's admin panel and see how all this happens. Droplet integrates into your website with a single line of JavaScript that we supply to you when you sign up for an account. The content that you'll present to your visitors and the rules that you'll use to engage those visitors are all defined within Droplet's admin panel. First, let's take a look at design. From the Design tab, we can create new droplets as well as the designs that are presented within the droplets. Designs we call templates because they can be reused. So for instance, here is a droplet video template or the Samsung template that you saw presented earlier. To create a new droplet, we simply go create a new droplet from the Design home and give that droplet a name. We can give it a description. We choose a template. Let's take that Hawaii trip template. And droplets have behavior associated with them because this is a form. Let's say that we want to email ourselves that data whenever anyone enters it. And let's choose an effect. Let's say a 2-second fade-in effect that's going to happen in the center of the person's screen. And we're going to save that droplet. Great. So now we have new droplet. Now, droplets display to your visitors based on criteria that you select, and we call these rules. So let's go over to the Rules tab. You create a new rule simply by selecting New Rule and filling out a set of questions. So let's call this My New Rule. And we'll enable that rule. We'll give it a time starting today and ending in a couple days. We'll choose the droplet that we want to add. And remember, we have My New Droplet that we'll add in, and we'll go ahead and put this on the home page of Droplet Tech. So it's going to show up right there. And then we can also choose a visitor's location, if it's specific days of the week or time on site, whether it's return visitor, and how we want to behave beyond that. But let's go ahead and save this rule now. And with that, because that rule is enabled and you have a droplet defined going forward, any visitors that hit that home page are going to be presented with that droplet. Droplet also provides you with analytics regarding how your visitors are traversing through your site, the droplets that you've presented and have been fulfilled, and then which rules are running most often on your site. Droplet is free, and each month you get 100 droplets for your account to engage with your visitors, and you can always buy more droplets or step into a subscription package to amp up your engagement. You can find us at www.cleverrain.com. Thanks.